Banyalap sa kapartay, banwanra ya kajingkala hakibabuan kilyang, nalor ki riu syampang, let se la ban penrong hakajimut jeng perkat jong ki badang kamrit karta, don kam hiru da ki biarang karta banyak selok batki. Nalo kajing selok kesor jeng Rwai ru kadai ke borba banwanra ya kajingkala. Ladaya keren sepang kajing Rwai, kadan kawai ke Samla lot na bari, kabalaya cakamat ban pa eko Khubor, lengba kesor jeng Rwai, ban wanra kajing kala, kaba hakani kakanti, kalawan ru syakani kari India.
Kani ke Samla kadai ke Hita Yeluru, kan terus nam kerta, na California jengari United States of America. Ke Samla kebadan ke sab Rwai bat bantu jeng Rwai, bat gijing Rwai kiba ke jusno terat bantu, kidai bi gijing Rwai kiba pasat, yagi sembo perkat segi Khynnah bagi Samla cekal yang kepertai. Ban peni kendo agani ke Samla bat ki Samla jongkari India. Kam tam namar baga tenrai jongkaru kadai na negeri India. Hendrai ki bala syong lasa ha USA. Hagani ke kenti lawan yalam yagani ke Samla sya India daga kenhon Unite for Good. Lengba u country director he India u Khynnah.
I have been in touch with Mr. Raghu almost 2 years ago when President Donald Trump and Prime Minister Modi were there for Howdy Modi in Houston. It was to make sure that how I use the exceptional talent of Hita to really connect with the roots that she is Indian first and American later, to join up with my organization Unite for Good, that I am the country director here in India, and to join up with the mission of Government of India's and Prime Minister's vision on Atmanirbhar Bharat mission, promoting khadi and the handloom industry. And the roots of mine is from Shillong. Born and brought up here. I have my ancestral home in Shillong. So it was time for me to give back to my state, to the little children for its development. So I am working directly with ministries and the PMO, and to try and persuade Government of Meghalaya to cooperate that it is time that there be more promotion of tourism, the handloom industry, the women weavers and artisans, and using Hita, the new generation, to connect with such beautiful children of Kiddies Corner, the talented children who have won gold medal for India. It's great pride to connect that, and for the Government of India's Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, to combine all this. I felt that Hita was the role model, and to connect with children of Kiddies Corner, KC Lights Koya.
Hadian bagani ke Samla kala yu kejat hakikat tu kena teli gejela jongkari. Kalau wan ruch kena kenong ba Shillong, haka hendrio bat nyau terek ubanai leber arhajar arpuai. Haka ba kalalet banirwai kerpang ru bat kakenhon KC Lights, ha Kiddies Corner School Shillong. Hashwa baka Hita Yeluru kan Rwai ke jing Rwai jongka haka rensan. Lapan inam ru shwai kisap jengki dekhot kakenhon Rwai KC Lights.
beat, and then everyone sings. Money, money, money. We don't need your money, money, money. We just wanna make the world dance. Forget about the price tag. Ain't a bother. Cha-ching, ain't a bother. Go play, wanna make the world dance. Forget about the price tag. It's not about the money, money, money. We don't need your money, money, money. We just wanna make the world dance. Forget about the price tag. Ain't a bother. Cha-ching, ain't a bother. Go play, wanna make the world dance. Forget about the price tag.
Hakane ka kenti ke Samla Hitha Yeluru, rada penbit penbiang saya ke ke Rwai English, kabala ai kerteng future. Ke Rwai ke badan ke Khubor siki Samla, banlong ka lawe jangkiri ke perthai. Banwanra ke jingkala, bat kamtam ban penbahapat ke bala sniu. Laka long ha ke senchar khadar, ne ke jing penbahai ke mariang bat kiwe ki benta. Hakane ke sing ke Rwai ke Rwai ke rensan, jong ke school kiddies corner.
I am a girl in a lonely place, no eye to eye, no face to face. Come along with some grace. We are a beautiful race. Just a kid in the big blue world. We see the future. Uncurl. Tomorrow's a beautiful day. Come on, let's hope and pray. We are the future. They were the past.
So all of my songs talk about different things that I think need to be talked about in the world, mostly in the lyrics but in the emotion as well. The song I sang here today in the Kiddies Corner School was called Future, and it's about how the youth is the future and that we deserve to have a voice in things that happen and what happens with us and around us. So in each song I include a different topic to discuss, to think about, to talk about, just so that more people are more aware. I recognize India as culture. It's just those two words, India and culture, just go one on one in my head. Because in every single city I go to, there's a new kind of fashion, new clothes, new languages, new food. It's a true experience to just travel throughout India and just witness all the different things about it.
Namar bakwan yu okjat hakaway ni gijela jong ni katanch telam mingi. Yaga riam jong karu lasu penwandur katkum ga deiti tenrai jong giriulum ga ni katan. Yaga balasu penwandur da kaway ni designer ga bapau gar India ga Rosie Aluwalia.
So when this video came to me and this event came to me, we designed especially where she's wearing a naughty skirt and she's wearing a top which is very well designed in a fashionable way. People cannot believe khadi can be so stylish and so glamour. So if you see a costume today, you can witness a costume today. It's beautifully designed, keeping in mind the entire culture of Northeast and India culture.
Well, when we heard that Khynnah was wanting to sing with KC Lights, they actually asked us to fly to Delhi, but many of the parents were not confident of small ones flying out of there. So she decided to come to Shillong. So when we heard about it, we were really happy because I think for our children here in the Northeast and in Shillong in particular, to get this kind of exposure, to meet someone who's doing this professionally, is really going to help in the long run to get that confidence, to be able to say, yes, even I can be in music or I can do what I have to do, what I love to do. And so meeting someone their own age is more inspiring than meeting someone who's much, much older and the message that she gave today was really very, very clear about what young people are, because I personally feel that every young person, they are our future. And if we don't give them those opportunities today to be able to live in the world which they want, that special world, that the future is not going to be as good as it is and that it can be. Because if we teach them today about basically the environment, about love, about peace, they're going to carry that on to the next generation, and I think the world will be a much better place. Sadly today I'm saying because of what us and the generation before us has done, we've messed up the place so much, and we really need to get it back to what it was. And I think this coming generation really is the one responsible. Those are the one who can do it with the elders' guidance. And so today when she's here and her message can get spread to more young people all over the world, I think it's going to make a big difference, because I think young people, as I said earlier, they're much more open to young people speaking to them. Because when we speak, they say lecture. So, yeah.
Again, I love it here. The people are so welcoming. I love the cold weather. And it's like a family here. Just singing with these kids for the past 2 days, I already feel at home. I already fit in, and that's what I love about it.